Squaring by using the sutra yavadunam. Yavadunam means the deficiency. See, let us read description and algorithm. This method is used to square the numbers which are near the base and subbase. Subbase means multiples of base, that is real base and working base. See, subbase is also called as working base. In this method we use the sutra yavadunam tavadurikritya vargam cha yojayet, which means whatever the extent of deficiency of a number means given number for squaring, from the base, lessen it to the same extent and set up the square of deficiency. See friends, to put it in simple words, deficiency means deviation, right? So let us read algorithm. Write the answer in two parts, left part and right part. Step number 1, left part is, what is left part? Given number n, let us denote given number by n, given number n plus deviation of n from its nearest base, right? Second step, what is right part? Right part is square of deviation. Square of deviation. See, deviation is denoted by d. Square deviation and write in right part. Now, important note, number of digits in the right part should be equal to the number of zeros in the nearest base. And if there are extra digits, then pass those extra digits to left part. And if deficit of digits, then write the zeros at the left side such that right part digits should be equal to the number of zeros in the nearest base. This is very important note. Now, third step, if working base, see friends, this third step is applicable only when working base is applicable. If working base is applicable, then calculate the ratio of working base to real base. See, calculate the ratio of working base to real base and multiply left part by this ratio. Remove slash and write answer. Right? So friends, let us practice this method by solving sufficient number of examples. First example is 12 squared equal to. So let us read steps. What is left part? Given number n plus deviation of n from its nearest base. So let us first find deviation for given number 12. What is given number 12? What is nearest base for the given number 12? It is 10. So base is 10, right? And what is deviation? To calculate deviation, we subtract nearest base of a given number from given number only. So 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. 2 is deviation. So let us use this 2, deviation 2, for further calculation. Now, let us obtain answer. Let us write answer in two parts. This is left part and this is right part. Let us draw a slash. Right? Now, what is left part? Given number 12 plus its deviation, that means 2. This is left part. Now what is right part? Let us refer algorithm. What is right part? Deviation squared. So let us calculate square of deviation. What is deviation? 2. So 2 squared. Right? Now let us calculate 12 plus 2, 14. Draw a slash and 2 squared is 4. Right? So we have completed 2 steps and wrote answer in 2 parts. Now important note. Number of digits in the right part should be equal to the number of zeros in the nearest base. And if extra digit, pass those extra digits to left part, and if deficit of digits, then write the zeros at left side such that right part digits should be equal to the number of zeros in the nearest base. See friends, in the nearest base, what is nearest base? 10. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0. It means that we need to write only one digit in the right part, which we already have. So no need to make any changes, right? So let us remove slash and write final answer 1, 4. Remove slash and write right part 144. So 12 squared is 144. Correct? Next example. Second example, 98. Second example is 98. Let us square given number 98 equal to. First of all, let us calculate deviation. And to calculate deviation, first of all, let us find base for given number 98. What is nearest base for given number 98? Clearly it is 100. Base is 100. Now let us calculate deviation. Subtract nearest base for a given number from given number only. So 98 minus 100 is equal to minus 2, negative 2. So negative 2 is deviation for given number 98. Right? Now let us calculate left part and right part. Left part and right part. Let us draw slash here. Correct? Now friends, what is left part? How to calculate left part? Given number 98 plus deviation, which is minus 2. See, what is left part? Add deviation of a given number to given number only. That is left part. Right? Deviation squared. Right part is deviation squared. Right? So let us calculate further. 98 plus minus 2, that means 98 minus 2, which is 96. Give a slash. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Now friends, we have calculated two parts. Now balancing. See, how many zeros are there in the nearest base 100? 2 zeros. It means that we need to have 2 digits. We need to have 2 digits in the right part. But actually, how many digits we have? 1 digit. This is an example of deficit of digits in the right part. So what should be done? Write 1 0 at the left of existing digit in the right part, which is 4. Now there are 2 digits. Now we have balanced it. We need to have 2 digits in the right part because there are 2 zeros in the nearest base. Let us remove slash and write answer. What is left part? 96. What is right part? Remove slash and write right part 0, 4. 9604. So 98 squared is 9604. If you are doubtful, apply Bijanka method and check if it's correct or not. Apply Bijanka method. See, calculate Bijanka of 98 squared and calculate Bijanka of its answer 9604. Let us calculate Bijanka. Leave this 9. 8 squared is 64. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. Bijanka of 98 squared is 1. See friends, let me remind you, while calculating Bijanka of squares, calculate Bijanka of base and then square that Bijanka. And if that Bijanka is in the form of 2 digits, again reduce those 2 digits into a single digit by adding those 2 digits. Right? Now, let us calculate Bijanka of answer. Exclude 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. So, left hand side and right hand side tallied, we are correct. Okay, this answer is correct. 98 squared is 9604. Next example. Third example, 1012. Third example is 1012 squared, which is equal to. See friends, let us first identify nearest base. What is nearest base for the given number 1012? It is 1000. 1000, right? Now what is deviation? To calculate deviation, subtract this nearest base from given number only. So 1012 minus 1000 is equal to 12, positive 12. This 12 is deviation for given number 1012. Now let us calculate left part and right part. Draw a slash to separate these two parts. Now step number 1, calculating left part. What is left part? Add deviation to given number 1012 plus deviation 12. What is right part? Deviation squared. Square deviation and right answer in right part. Let us calculate 1012 plus 12, 1024. What is right part? What is square of 12? 144. Next step is important step. Count the number of zeros in the nearest base and retain same number of digits in the right part. Count the number of zeros in the nearest base and retain same number of digits in the right part, so that number of zeros in the nearest base and number of digits in the right part should be equal. How many zeros are there in the nearest base? 3 zeros. And how many digits are there in the right part? 3 digits. So no need to make any changes. So let us remove slash and write answer as it is. 1024. Remove slash and write 144. This is answer. 1012 squared is 10,24,144. Now apply Bijanka method and check this answer if it's correct or not. Bijanka of 1012 squared must be equal to Bijanka of 1024144. 10,24,144. If our answer is correct, then Bijanka of left hand side should be equal to Bijanka of right hand side. Okay. See, let us calculate Bijanka. Whenever you have to calculate Bijanka of a number with its power, then always calculate Bijanka of base first, and after that calculate square of that Bijanka. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 squared is 16. 2 digits, so 1 plus 6, 7. Bijanka of 1012 squared is 7. Equal to, now calculate Bijanka of answer. Let us exclude 144 because sum of these 3 digits is 9. So let us exclude 144. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Bijanka of left hand side and Bijanka of right hand side is equal. So we are correct. Our answer is correct. Next example. Fourth example, 21. Fourth example is 21. We are going to calculate square of 21 equal to. Now friends, identify nearest base for the given number 21. Given number 21 is not closer to any real base. What are real bases? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Such numbers are called as real bases. 21 is not closer, near to any real bases. 21 is closer to working base, sub base 20. 21 is closer to, near to working base 20. So let us write here working base or sub base 20. 20 is nearest working base for the given number 21. Now let us find deviation. Same formula. Subtract nearest base, in this case working base. Subtract nearest working base of a given number from given number only. It means that 21 minus working base 20, which is equal to 1, positive 1. So deviation is 1. Now friends, here working base is applicable. See, let us read third step. If working base is applicable, then calculate the ratio of working base to real base and multiply left part by this ratio. What is working base? Working base is 20. We are going to find ratio of working base to real base. What is real base? See, working base is 20. What is 20? It is 2 multiple of 10. It means 10 is real base. For given number 21, working base is 20 and real base is 10. So real base is 10. Write 10 here. This is ratio of working base to real base. Ratio of 20 to 10 is 2. Right? So ratio R is 2. Now let us calculate left part and right part. What is left part? Addition of given number and its deviation. What is given number? 21. What is deviation? 1. But in this example, working base is applicable. So multiply this addition, this sum, by ratio 2. See, this step is added here. Whenever working base is applicable, then always multiply left part by ratio of working base to real base. What is ratio? Ratio is 2. So multiply left part by ratio 2. What is right part? Right part is deviation squared. What is deviation? 1. So square 1. Now friends, let us calculate further. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 multiplied by 2, 44. What is right part? 1 squared is 1. Now friends, we have calculated answer in 2 parts. Now balancing it, see. How many zeros are there in the real base? 1 0. It means that we need to retain 1 digit only in the right part, which we already have. So no need to make any changes here. So write answer as it is. Write left part, which is 44. Remove slash and write 1. So 441 is square of 21. Correct? So next example. Fifth example is 606. Let us square 606. So we will calculate answer in 2 parts, left part and right part. So first of all, let us first identify nearest base for the given number 606. What is nearest working base for the given number 606? Clearly it is 600. Right? And what is 600? It is 6 multiple of 100. It means that 100 is real base. Okay? 100 is real base. So 600 is nearest working base for the given number 606 and 100 is nearest real base for the number 606. Now ratio. Ratio of what? Working base to real base. What is working base? 600. What is real base? 100. So ratio is 6. Now deviation. What is deviation? How to calculate deviation? Subtract nearest working base 600 from given number 606, which is equal to 6. 6 is deviation. So let us use ratio. Let me write ratio here. This is ratio and this is deviation. Let us use ratio and deviation in the calculation of square. Left part and right part. We have drawn slash to separate left part and right part. What is left part? Sum of given number and its deviation. It means 606 plus 6. But this is an example where working base is applicable. So multiply left part by ratio 6. Now right part. What is right part? Deviation squared. 6 squared. 6 is deviation. Now let us calculate further. 606 plus 6 is 612. Give a slash. 6 squared is 36. Now calculate further. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Right to carry 1. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. 6 6 are 36. 3672 is left part. Draw a slash and write 36 as it is. Now friends, important step. Count number of zeros in the real base and retain same number of digits in right part. There are 2 zeros in the real base and there are 2 digits in the right part. So no need to make any changes. Okay, so let us write 2 parts, remove slash. 3672 is left part, remove slash and write 36. It means 606 squared is equal to 3,67,236. Apply Bijanka method, or you can apply Bijanka method to check if it's correct or not. Bijanka of 606 squared should be equal to, if we are correct, 367236. 6 plus 6 12. 1 plus 2 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 6 exclude it. 3 6 exclude it because sum of these 2 digits is 9. 3 plus 6 9. 3 plus 6 9. 7 plus 2 9. Left hand side is 9 and right hand side is 9. Tally it. We are correct. Our answer is correct. Next example. Sixth example, 717 squared. What is nearest working base for the given number 717? It is 700. 700 is 7 multiple of 100. It means that real base is 100. Correct? So what is ratio of working base to real base? What is working base? 700. What is real base? 100. So ratio is 7. What is deviation? Deviation is subtract nearest working base of a given number from given number only. It means 717 minus 700 is 17. 17 is deviation. Now friends, let us use ratio 7 and deviation 17 in the calculation of square. So what is left part? What is left part? Given number plus its deviation. 717 plus deviation 17. Right? Now 717 plus 17. As working base is applicable, multiply this left part by ratio 7. Correct? Now right part. What is right part? Deviation squared. What is deviation? 17. Square 17 and write in right part. Now let us calculate further. 717 plus 17. 734. See, this is 3. Okay. 734 multiplied by 7 is left part. What is right part? 17 squared. What is 17 squared? It is 289. Please understand, that it is very much important to know the squares up to 20 to 25. That will always help us in faster calculation, right? 17 squared is 289 and we have written answer in right part. Now let us calculate further. 7 4s are 28, write 8, carry 2. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23, write 3, carry 2. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 2, 51. 5138 is left part. What is right part? 289. See friends, we have calculated answer in two parts. Now important step is count the number of zeros in real base. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. It means we need to retain 2 digits in right part. But how many digits we have? 3 digits. It means that this 2 higher place digit 2 is an extra digit. So let us pass this extra digit to its immediate left. Passing means adding. So 5138 plus 2 is 5140. Draw a slash and write 89 only. See, we have passed this 2 already. We have worked upon it, so no need to write. So we have calculated answer, we have balanced it. Now remove slash and write final answer 5140. Remove slash and write 89. So 5,14,089 is square of 717. Right? This is answer. Next example.